Good morning to you all, dear students and guys. Welcome back to the online classes of English for class 12. As you know that nowadays we are reading supplementary reader vistas. In it, the first story, the third level by Jack Finney. Today, 20th May 2021, you have the long answer type questions. The next one, third, apparent illogicality sometimes turns out to be a futuristic projection. Discuss. It means क्या आभासी अतर्कता कभी कभी भविष्य के लिए प्रक्षेप बन जाता है? विवेचना कीजिए. The answer is like this. At one time, almost all the inventions or discoveries of scientists or discoverers previously seemed illogical. The reason was that people or authorities of their time believed that what they said was illogical. But when the inventions and discoveries turned out to be true, people and authorities started believing in them as their futuristic projection. In March 1878, Edison began to work on an electric lamp. He promised people to give electric light in 2 years. At this, all the scientists laughed at him. They said that it was impossible. At last, he succeeded in making an electric bulb on New Year's Day 1880. Edison and his workers put up electric lights at his laboratory. People from all over America came to see that grand sight. Science fiction writers often make predictions which seem illogical, but sometimes they turn out to be true. We read about Charles wandering on the third level of the Grand Central Station, New York in 1894. It seems illogical today, but tomorrow some scientist might invent a time machine which would make it possible to move there freely in the past. Question number next, fourth. Flatly helps keep the past alive. Discuss other ways in which this is done. What do you think of the human tendency to constantly move between the past, the present and the future? It means टिकट संकलन अतीत को जीवित रखने में सहायता करता है. अन्य विधियों की विवेचना कीजिए जिनमें यह किया जाता है. आप मानव प्रकृति के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं जो लगातार अतीत, वर्तमान और भविष्य के बीच गति करती है? The answer is like this. Philately is the collection and study of postage stamps. Stamp is an important piece of history. Countries issue new stamps to commemorate important events, persons or developments. Thus, a study of stamps helps keep the past alive. Other ways, museums are the great source which helps keep the past alive. There are collections of old coins, ornaments, weapons, dresses, potteries, paintings, etc. They remind us of different ages of the past. Historical monuments, temples, mosques, and tombs remind us of the past. P.V. Shelley says, "We look before and after and pine for what is not." When we are not satisfied with the present, we look at past or look hopefully towards the future. On the wings of fancy, we travel into the past or fly upward into the future, but we have to come down to the present since we have to live in the present. Thus, account for the human tendency to constantly move between the past, the present and the future. Dear guys, dear students, note down these other two long answer type questions from this story in your fair notebook and have practiced more and more. Try to understand these questions much better and try to learn or try to give the answer of this question yourself. Have practiced a lot. Keep your study. Continue. Have a good day. Nice meeting to you the next day. Thank you.